Alright, hey guys, I guess it's fixed. We changed the alternator to a better one, but now look at this. Look at the oil pressure. What the heck? Uh-oh. I gotta put some oil in or something. Oh man, frick. I gotta go to this AutoZone to see they can test the alternator, battery, make sure everything's alright. Just to make sure, because mechanical went to, it was, I guess it was the alternator's fault, but we don't want the same problem to happen, so we're gonna go ahead and test it out. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and drive there. I'm not gonna put any pressure on the car because remember, that oil pressure gauge is really low right now, and we don't want any funky business. Alright, so we're heading there right now. Okay, frick. I'll get back to you guys once we get there. Everything's back up, guys. So we're blasting AC. No no battery light. Oil pressure, it's my fault. I just realized it. When I started up the car, it kind of like went like this. So that's my fault. I gotta fix the gauge. As you can see, it's all cracked up. It's my fault. And we got the new alternator, way better than the last one. Got some gas just in case. Look at that. We're already there. So everything here is Gucci. And we're good. So we can start up on the car again. Woo! You guys don't know how happy I am to have my baby back. Woo! I took out the radio thing. Maybe that's shorting it out. I took out a few things. So I think the cigarette lighter, radio. So there's no tunes, but I don't care because I just don't want anything to mess up anymore. Maybe that's the root of the problem. That's probably why it's not giving me any issues. So I plugged that out and we're good now. We're all Gucci. Thank you, Duralast. I appreciate it. Sponsor me, I wish. What the yo, that thing is so bright. Ow, that hurt in my eyes. But we're back, baby. Mustang's back. Oh, woo, charger. Got this thing right here. That thing is zooming. But we're back, guys. Hopefully I can get like a GoPro or something so I can go ahead and vlog. What? She's kind of scared me. But woo! Alright guys, tell me if you guys want to see more vlogs and stuff with this now that we're back in action. This shit over there? Yeah, we gotta see the consistency of this oil right here.
Did I just tighten it back?
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
I think I just tightened it. I can see that bit ready to just fucking bust a nut. I'm telling you, bro. You see the oil about getting ready to come out.
Yeah, it's. Boy. Oh yeah. What if there's no oil in this bin?
That's hilarious.
Eureka!
Black.
Ooh, ew!
Black.
That bit hot.
Holy.
That shit is hot.
Yeah, yeah, really needed an oil change. Oh! Is there metal shavings in there?
That is
nasty. A little bit.
Okay, that's not metal shaving. If there's a little bit, that's okay.
There's just little bubbles is all.
Alright,
oh my god.
Yeah, that shit's feeling that shit straight up.
Shit is black.
She got on my fingers a little bit.
Yeah, that's soy sauce right there. That's not good.
Yo, Julie, bro, you really needed this shit, dog.
Really? I think the last time I had an oil change was in January, bro.
Oh my god. What the fuck?
Yeah.
That's a problem.
Yeah.
Whew. If I sit right here, the frame of the car won't hurt me. As long as I keep my head right here.
Yeah, because I'd be under this thing.
Tire won't smack me.
It's still brown-ish.
Because of the white. This is black.
Bro, we're Gucci.
Wait, we should
This is like
right.
passenger side.
Oh, okay.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Shout out to Quavo night, right? That's enough for hand tightening. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fucking twist it to 20 foot-pounds.
Hey guys, Eric fixing.
Right?
Hey guys, Eric's Fix here. I think that's left, brother.
Am I?
Yeah, that's left.
Oh, shit. No, this is left.
Bro, righty tighty, lefty
I am
loose.
twisting right. It's going in.
Watch, start the car, oil leak.
No, it's going in.
For real?
Yeah. Oh, excuse me.
Guys, tell me if it's going in or not. Sorry. Oh, pixels on Palama.
Come on now, stop being a bitch. Yeah, that's going in.
Eric,
Oh my god.
on my end, that.
It's going in.
Okay.
Oh, come on. Stop being a bitch.
Now get the breaker bar
Alright.
and 100 foot foot torque pounds right now. I don't even know how to say it. Oh yeah, you capped. Oil on the shirt, that's not coming out in years.
Rumble. God damn it.
What happened?
I fucking took
Take two.
Right?
Bro, Eric, make sure that's tight as hell, bro.
Bro, I got it.
I want it to seize on that pan.
Bro, we're good, bro.
I don't want a drip of
Fam,
oil.
I
I don't
got
want a
it.
particle of oil.
Nigga, I said I got it. Fuck. Don't rush me. Wait, gotta make sure they're on tight. Alright, yeah, they're not coming off. Good. We flip the bitch around.
Leverage.
Maximum leverage.
Take three.
Alright.
Alright, if you can't tighten it anymore, it's good.
Nah, bro, we got this bitch, bro. 1,000 foot-pounds, bro.
Got you, bruv.
Oh, wait. Oh, shit. Whoops.
Whoops,
Sorry
daisy.
about that.
That is disgusting. Ugh.
Where's the other rag I gave you?
Right there. Behind you.
You can't like pour it out here, but
No.
No, that's not good
What
for the
we'll do
environment.
Is
We gotta wait till that.
we'll wait till we're finished,
and then
we'll
put
get
it in.
an old oil can, and we'll bring it back to somewhere that'll let us recycle it.
That's not that bad.
It's not that bad. You need a cloth.
No, but trust me, I've seen worse.
This little bastard. We had to put holes in this dude. Literal holes in here.
This
Just
took 6 fucking hours.
Let's get it out of there.
Bruh, we started, what time is it?
You know what's funny? None of the
4 hours. No oil leak. Hand tight. Oh, Ford certified. We're all good, man. We revved it. Everything's all good. It's still up on Jackson just to see if there was an oil leak. Got to clean up now. Driving with the new oil change. Sorry about the tools. We just finally got everything adjusted. Oil pressure seems fine. I'm going to try and tighten it even after this because I really don't want an oil leak anywhere. Because that would really suck. Alright? So we're following my dude, Eric, and everything seems to be pretty good here. So I'll update you guys when something else happens. Alright, hello. Right now I kind of look like Sideshow Bob, don't mind that. But I just wanted to say what went on the video. First part was basically alternator being changed. That fixed the problem because the car, it would just drain the battery. And then it wouldn't be able to go anywhere. You just go to your destination, but by the time you get there and turn the car off, it's dead. So that we basically went to AutoZone, got that sorted out. Saw the oil pressure was messed up, but that was because my dumb self. I did wiring behind there and I messed up the gauge. I'm just gonna go back there and then go ahead and put, I don't know, I think I took the plastic cover off of it and hit the little needles, like the red needles. So I have to go back and do that. And then second part, oil change. Worst 45-minute job took 6 hours. 6 hours. 6. It was all because of one thing. The oil filter. Like it felt like it was seized on there, my guy. Like, what? I've never seen that in my life. So we took a screwdriver, took like a hammer, straight through it, turned it, did it again, hammer, screwdriver straight through it, just took it off. We bought 3 different, I think, oil filter ratchet little things. None of them worked. So returned 1 out of 3. Gonna return the 3rd one. The first one we lost the receipt, so that's not getting returned. Probably gonna have to sell that, or I don't know. But we changed the oil filter. The oil drain pan is on the passenger side. You can see it in the video. And then I don't know if I'm gonna put this before or after, but it's there on the passenger side. Jack up the car, do that, and then the oil filter is like at the front, like near the radiator. Like if you look, even if you're like, you don't jack up the car, you just lift up the hood, you can see it like behind the belt, like it's right there up front, just like angled. You could easily get to that. So you change that out, put in the, yeah, so once you drain all the oil, new filter, put in oil. After that's done, you're done. Like, that's it. Like, oil change done. That's all it should have been. But no, I don't know who before did the oil change, but they made sure to gorilla glue it onto there. They made sure no one was going to change that filter. And then when we took out the filter, it's like all black. I didn't record it because my phone was dying, but it was disgusting. And that's pretty much it with that. But if you made it through the video, now I'm gonna have to put this at the end of the video. If you made it through, thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. See ya. Keep it real. You still here?